Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to pass the JDBC MySQL hands-on Fresco play solution. There is the ID and course ID, which is the 63717. You can search the on Ultimatics and you can find out this course and you can pass this solution. Okay. So guys, today I will tell you how to pass these exams. So first you can go to the Ultimatics and search on the course by course ID, and you can redirect to the Fresco Play, and here you can launch the course. So you can see here, this is the TCS server, and here is the Visual Studio Code, and you can open the course, and under the course you can see here instruction and JDBC. So under the JDBC folder you can see here, there is the two folder, SRC source folder and target folder. So you can open the SRC folder, and under the SRC folder there is the two files, and there is the two folders. First is the main folder and second is the test folder. So you can open the first folder, main folder, and here is the there is the lot of files here, and first is the db operations.java, and under the utils file, there is the dbutil.java file and running script.java file. Okay guys, so guys, here is the there is the three files. So first you can open the dbutils.java file, and here you can see already a lot of coded there. So and the second file is running script.java file. Okay, so can open the running script.java file. Just a minute. Here you can see, this is the first file where you can write the code, and and then second file is the db operations.java file. You can write the code, running script.java file and db operation.java file. So guys, where is find this solution? What is the right here? So you can I will already uploaded the solution on my website. So you can just google search exams solving blogspot dot exams solving exam solving dot blogspot.com. This is my website, and you can redirect to the my website. Okay, so you can search on google and redirect to this file. Okay, this website, and here is the first link, JDBC MySQL hands-on Fresco play solution, where is the course ID is the 63717. So guys, just click on the first link and you can redirect to the solution page. Okay, so guys, this is my website, and here is the solution of this course. You can see here the image, how to pass this exam. So here you can see, this is the success build success. So guys, after writing the code from this website to uh, Fresco play, here there is the two files, running script.java file and db operation.java file. Okay guys, so first you can write the running script.java file from this website, and here drop down, you can search in below. First option is the running script.java file. Okay guys, so you can write the running script.java file under the running script.java file. You can write the this code. Okay guys, and second code is the dboperation.java file. So you can search on the dboperation.java file and write this code inside the Fresco play, this one, this file, dboperations.java file. Okay guys, so guys, after writing these two files, you can submit this course, and after the some time you will pass this course solution. Okay guys, so guys, today I will tell you how to pass this JDBC MySQL courses solution. You can already I have made a lot of courses here, Fresco place and IOL courses. So you can find out the easily, and write the and pass the examination. Okay guys, so guys, thanks for watching this video. If you are new here, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Okay guys, milte hain next video.